everybody, my name is Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. We're here with Matt Collins of the Matt Collins Group, powered by eXp. So what we wanted to talk about today is the market that we're in. Are we crashing? Is this a bubble? What's going on?
Sure. Well, I guess it depends if you're watching the evening news or not.
True.
Right? If we're watching the headlines, then yes, oh my gosh, everything is coming to a complete end. However, if we dig into the details beyond the headlines, right, we will find that we are not in a bubble. The market is just slowing down. Now, and we'll even go a little deeper into that, we're just coming back to normal territory. Right?
Yeah.
So the last 2 years, we've seen unprecedented buyer demand because of the low interest rates.
Right.
We've seen incredibly shortages of homes available to buy.
Right.
Right. And so that's just caused us to be in a hyper intense market.
Mm-hmm.
What we're seeing here is nothing more than coming back to normal. Right. So if we remember back before the pandemic, right, we're still in an inventory shortage. We still don't have enough homes for sale to satisfy the buyer demand. But if we remember back to where rates were, right, we're pretty close to where we were pre-pandemic, right? Inventory, we're up 20% more homes this year than we were this time last year. However, we're still not back to pre-pandemic levels. So we're still somewhat in a seller's market, right? But what we're seeing here is just normal. Right? We're starting to see things come back to normal.
And I think what happens is a lot of people have the tendency to kind of compare the past 2 years and say this is the new normal.
Sure,
well,
absolutely.
It's not the new normal. This is just abnormal in every definition of the book.
That is correct, absolutely. And so we tend to forget.
Yeah,
right? We tend to think that the normal interest rate should be 2.5%.
Why not? I would love that.
Absolutely. So, but so no, we're simply coming back to normal, right? We are seeing the market slow down. We're late into third quarter, getting ready to come into fourth, which in any normal market, this becomes a slower time as attentions start to turn towards holidays and festivities. Real estate, just even over the last 20 years, this is the time of year it starts to slow down.
Exactly.
So so
We'll
no reason to panic.
No, I agree.
All right. Well, hey, thanks for tuning in today. If you liked what you heard, please like and subscribe, and until next time.